Today I'm going to show you how to use PearsonSuccessNet to access your online math textbook. First, you'll go to www.PearsonSuccessNet.com without any spaces. Now, as you can see, I've entered my username and I will use my password next. Now, because I'm logging in as a teacher, you'll have a slightly different page after you click login. I'm going to switch right to Student Edition, and this is what you will see. Okay, in order to access Chapter 1, you will click the camera. And we have all sorts of things like test-taking strategies and diagnosing readiness, which we will use in class. So in our first lesson, lesson 1.1, ways to use numbers, I will click on the link and it will take me to the first page of our math textbook. Now, as you can see, it looks like any ordinary math book. We have vocabulary words highlighted and a quick warm-up. We have key ideas and vocabulary words. Now I'm going to click the next page, and as you can see, there is a check for understanding. Usually we do this in class before I allow students to do any independent practice. Occasionally this will be done on a dry erase board or on the board. So if you find that your students have started to complete their homework and they're having a little bit of difficulty, you can come to this area of the check where it says for another example, see set 1.1 on page 56, and as you can see there's also more questions on page 60. So I'll click there and you'll see a reteaching. Okay, we have pages 4 to 5, 6 to 7, 8 to 9, they're all in an order. Okay, and this will also be set 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. So those are for different lessons. Now you also have a glossary. Say your student doesn't remember what the word commutative order property of addition is. Not only can they read the definition here, they can also go back to the page it was learned on. Okay. We also have some tables here. The tables are used mostly for measurement and symbols. And then we also have an index where students can find which page a vocabulary term has been found on. If you'd like to get ready for tests and quizzes, you can go to the diagnostic checkpoints. You also have a key vocabulary and concept review, which will help before any test. It's pretty easy to use, and I wish you good luck.